we are having our annual CBI Collaborative Fair at the University of Mount St. Vincent. I am thrilled to see all the students from all of our partnership schools, and I'm excited about the look on their faces when they meet the future reps that will be reading their college applications. So here's to another successful year of college applications and college enrollment.
And a piece of advice that I have for high school students attending the college fair is if you're not really sure what you want to do yet, you should go to any of the schools here and ask what their most popular majors are to get an idea of what maybe you want to pursue.
You don't know who you're going to fall in love with, who's going to show you the money and make it a reality for you to attend their institution. And really it's about exploration. It's about exploring various careers, exploring various opportunities, and gaining knowledge so that they can make a smart, educated decision about where they spend the next 4 years of their life.